welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to be making murukku, which is basically a rice flour based snack. So I have here around 2 cups of rice flour I have taken in this measuring cup, and I have here around 3 tablespoons of fried gram, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of jeera, and I have here a pinch of hing, 1 teaspoon butter, and around a quarter teaspoon of sesame seeds, and I have here oil for deep frying, and murukku achu. So I have here a star one, so you can use whichever print you want. So let's get started. In a pan, add the urad dal and dry roast it until the raw smell is gone and you get a roasted smell. To this, add the fried gram and dry roast it along with the urad dal. Keep roasting until the raw smell is gone and you get a roasted smell. It's roasted now. Turn off the heat. Put this aside. In a mixer jar, add the dry roasted dal and grind it to a smooth powder. We have grinded this to a fine powder. It should be very fine and very smooth. Now we'll start dry roasting our rice flour. In the pan, add our 2 cups of rice flour. Dry roast it until the raw smell is gone and you get a roasted smell. Do it just for a minute. I can already smell that the raw smell is gone. So turn off the heat. Keep it aside. In a bowl, add colander. In the colander, add the rice flour. Add the powdered dal. Mix it well. Now start sifting. It's done now. Keep this aside. Now we are going to start making the dough. So first take lukewarm oil, and I have here butter and around 1 cup of hot water. So make sure it's not extremely hot but mild hot. To this rice flour, add sesame seeds, jeera. Before adding jeera, you can mildly crush it with your palm. Add hing and salt. We are going to make the dough now. Add the butter and the hot oil and start mixing.
With warm water.
Add the warm water little by little. It should be a soft dough.
Little oil.
The dough is ready now. It should be very soft when you press, and it should not break as well. So when you take it and you press it like this, it should become like a ball. So it should be in this consistency. We are going to start by brushing the murukku achu with oil. Remove this. Brush it with oil on all the sides. Be generous with the oil. Apply on the sides as well. take one ball of the dough and push it inside the acha and place it on top of this. Press it until it goes in. Before doing it directly in the oil, first do it on behind the ladle or something. Apply oil to the ladle, and now you can start. Keep this in a butter paper. Now we are going to fry the first batch in oil. You can either do it directly in oil, or if you are doing it for the first time, you can just try it out on a parchment paper or a plate or behind a ladle or something, and then put it in pan. So now let's start frying. Put a small piece and check whether the oil is hot. Let it heat for a minute. The oil is hot. We are going to start frying. We'll add the first. Fry until it turns golden brown or just light brown in color. It's turned light brown to golden brown. I'm going to take it out. This is the color. Now I am going to do this using these three holes. Our murukku is now ready. Now if you use the star print, then it is called as mullu murukku. Otherwise, if you use the round ones, it's called as thengural. Do try this out. This is really easy to make and tasty and crispy, and it is a very good snack. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to watch more of our yummy videos. Bye bye.